Lesson overview. AI chat assistants, ChatGPT, Microsoft Copilot, Google Gemini, and Claude are general-purpose tools that can dramatically boost productivity if you know how to use them well. What they can do: draft emails, reports, proposals, and summaries, explain difficult concepts in plain language, brainstorm ideas, names, marketing angles, translate between languages, summarize long documents, rewrite in a different tone, professional, friendly, concise, analyze text, tables, even images and code. The skill? Prompting well. The single biggest factor in good results is the prompt, how you ask. A weak prompt gets weak output. A strong prompt is specific. What exactly do you want? Contextual, who is it for? What's the situation? Constrained, length, tone, format, audience. Iterative, refine the answer with follow-up instructions. Prompt recipe, or craft. Context, the background. Role, act as a financial analyst. Action, what you want done. Format, bullet list, table, email, summary. Tone, formal, friendly, persuasive. Example: weak prompt, write an email about the meeting. Strong prompt, act as a project manager, draft a 4-paragraph email to my team announcing that Friday's project review is moved to next Tuesday at 10 a.m. Tone, friendly and clear. Include a 1-line agenda and ask for confirmation by Thursday. Try this. Use any AI chat assistant to generate a professional email of your choice. Example, requesting a meeting, following up on a job application. Use the craft recipe. Then refine the result with 2 follow-up prompts to improve tone and length.